What's up, gang? It's Lionel back again with another video. Last day of the hackathon. I'm still tired, but what's a hackathon if you're not tired, right? And I just wanted to shoot a quick video before I head down there into the hackathon. And it's because last night, when I was doing the recap, I realized that I didn't really say what I even did for the project. And I know that some of y'all was wondering, what am I even doing on this project? So the first day, I started working on the logo a little bit. The person who ended up doing most of the CSS on the project, the look and the feel, ended up redoing that on yesterday and made one that looked a lot doper than the one that I made. But other than that, on the first day, I transferred data from one spreadsheet to another because we got some customer research from all of the startups who have went through the accelerator. We were able to get that list, and so that we could send emails out to these companies in order to test our project out. So I was taking data from assemblies to spreadsheet and moving them into ours so that we could generate like a script or something to send emails out to people. So nothing crazy. So that's the thing. You don't even, sometimes helping out, you're not even writing crazy code. That was just the first day though. The second day, I did a lot more coding. I was coding pretty much the whole day. I was building out the pages based on the wireframe from our lead that they made. They made like the sign-on page, the login page, the all the pages, right? I think it was like 7 pages, and I made, no, actually it was probably like, wait, I could pull them up real quick because I had it on my computer a second ago. Hold on. Let me see. How many pages was it? Pause. Dang, I didn't realize we was talking that much on Discord. I'm scrolling. Where is it? I just want to be accurate because it was a lot and I'm half asleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh wow. So it was 10 pages and I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. All right. Just wireframe, just like where the input fields at, where all the buttons at, what do the input fields say, what type of input field is it? Is it for text? Is it just a picture? I did all that before the CSS guy came to the page and then did all the CSS. So that was the cool thing about it because I don't like writing CSS anyway. And this dude was mostly a front end person. He doesn't really do any back end. So that was very cool to have it split up like that. And then, so I was, the lead was doing something else when I was starting on the wireframe, but then eventually he made his way over to this part. He was like, what page are you on? And I was like, on the third one. He's like, okay, I'm going to start off on the last one and work my way backwards and we'll meet in the middle. So I ended up getting done with 5 of them by the time I got to the one that he had last done. And so, and then, okay, then another one of our team members was the one who was actually connecting our project to the GPT API, which apparently was way easier than I thought it was. Vercel has some like built-in thing to where you can just tap in with a little low code, like, copy and paste something from the documentation from over there, and change the prompt, and now GPT can work inside your project. So what we're basically doing is that you're gonna say what your company is, explain your customer a little bit, and then say how many words you want a blog post on, and then hit enter, and it's gonna create blogs for you, content for you. And you know, this is something that a lot of different companies can use. So hopefully we can make this thing look good enough. It's already working. Hopefully hopefully we can make it look sweet enough to win the prize. Would be awesome. Yeah, so I made the pages, and then I was pretty much just like coding all day yesterday in JavaScript and doing Next.js, which was very cool. I learned a lot about that because I don't think I've ever used Next.js before. It's like React, but different. The way that you were like making the file structure, and then that was like to make a page, you just make a folder and then name the folder what the name of the hyperlink is going to be, and then you just the URL, like the tail end of the URL is going to be, I think it's called the slug, and then you put page.tsx or the name of your form, and then you write your function, and you're good to go. It was pretty simple. I did have help though if I was getting stuck and something wasn't working, so it was cool though, man. Oh yeah, make some breakfast before I head out. But that's what I did on the project yesterday. Jet. I was thinking like, yo, we are building a company here. That's another cool thing about hackathons. You're joining a company with people who work busy, developer schedules. So when it's all said and done, if you have the most time on your hand, now look, this is your project. That's why it's also super important if you do this, if you got nothing else going on, go join a hackathon, because now you're working as a developer. You put these projects on your portfolio, you put them on your resume, and you work them. You go out there and sell them. Now you're a startup. So then you can go to your startup community, try to get customers, go through the accelerator program, go through the startup program, because that's when you will meet the people who work there. And what does all startup need? What does all startups need? They all need developers. They're making something, they're making some idea. There was one there that I'm thinking about hollering at today, because they do, you get haircuts. You pay for haircuts through them. And I'm thinking about, they said they're looking for developers. The thing that they're doing is no code solution. But they want to develop something that actually work. And so, sorry, I had to let my cat out before he tears up my carpet. So there's so many opportunities to come through this. And so I'm gonna get some footage of the presentation. It's 9 o'clock. I'm running a little late. We present at 12. So I got 3 hours to get down there and get busy with the finishing touches. We're racing against the clock. I will update you guys later. Peace.